Good morning everyone. Okay guys, Kibiki 2 Day 1. Papasok na tayo sa Lost Kingdom. Kukunin muna natin ang mga tokens. KD 3419 Kingdom of Sultan. Wait lang muna. Free solid free to play. Nice. Champions of Olympia. Nice. Okay.
What can I carry?
Back out. Okay. Deploy. Okay. Commander check. Runes check. Kuha muna tayo ng runes. May runes ba? Wala ang runes. Okay. Kibiki 2 Sid C. Napakain na ako guys, pero lalaban pa rin tayo. Okay, nintay ko lang ang mga farmers ko na darating. Go. Okay. Let's go baby. Okay. Individual Alliance Kingdom. Okay. Kasi Glory Strategic. Okay. Marami pang tulog guys. Okay, Giddy Bank. Okay. Dumating ng isa. Parating ng pangalawa. Okay. Combatants confirm. Okay. We would like to inform you that only alliances permitted to enter the Lost Kingdom at this receipt of today are 19 LC and 19 MC. Gradually with us. There will be space for everyone. Please be patient as we organize this space for all. Additionally, please remember always have your shield up if you are outside the alliance, outside of our territory. 3419 forever. Our allies 3412, 3414, 3420, 3422. Allies namin to guys. 5 versus 3 kami. Kalaban namin ay Kingdom 3409, Kingdom 3418 at Kingdom 3423. 5 versus 3. Excited to announce the Lost Kingdom chat will be open to this receipt. Please remember zero tolerance for toxicity in the Lost Kingdom chat. Okay. Na dumating na isa. Okay. Okay, dumating na. Pasok na tayo. In 1, 2, 3. Go! Kalaban namin. Okay, 3420. Okay, 3418. 3422. 3409. 3423. Okay. Wala kaming kalaban, makakapag-ipon pa tayo. Okay. Dito kami lalabas sa pass 5. 3420 pass 5, 3414 pass 5. Tapos kalaban namin 3409 at 3423. Okay. Okay, nakapasok na tayo guys. At yan lang muna sa ngayon. Thanks.